when you think about the lifetime you've had as Margaret, um, does it feel like you're happy with
Hmm.
the
I'm like
lifetime
sitting,
or?
I'm like sitting in like a big mansion living room kind of thing, like a big Victorian mansion, and it's like very clean and white and light. And I'm
Mhm.
wearing like a big puffy dress. And I'm sitting on a
Mhm.
couch looking at a fireplace, and there's a big
Mhm.
painting over the fireplace. Um,
Okay.
and my hair is like up high again, like how it was before, and there's like pins
Yeah.
and jewelry in it and stuff.
Mhm.
Um,
So it sounds like you became quite wealthy.
yeah, I became wealthy.